So when I say sharp like the thorn crown from Christ said, like, that might have been the sharpest thing ever used in the existence of earth. You know what I mean? Something around the forehead of Christ. So it was just me painting that picture saying sharp like the thorn crown from Christ said, to make people, to make it read somebody like, yo, a this one. You know?
And then, so I have questions because we were supposed to do this event from like last year, right after the album drop.
Yeah.
So I resist the urge for a whole year to come to your person and ask the questions.
Yeah.
But you know, I always read into things and try to dissect the lyrics and come back here and say, yeah, we figure out that part there. Alright, so I have not figured out this part. Maybe it's just flexing your lyrical muscles again and it don't mean much. But when you said, margarine, I pull the margin in, then stretch the margin out.
Yeah.
What is that, a business? It's like a principles of business, reference, what?
It was like again, it had to do with our place as youths in the music, you know? And it was like a lot of the time I feel like, alright, your generation needs to just calm down and chill out because, you know, the youths, you know, it's not like, your guys bigging up yourselves too much. And I was like, so the margin was like, you know, we're coming up in the business now. And like, for example, when you're going and you're doing shows abroad, like one time Protoje open up the show them, or, you know, we now get the recognition and thing, and it was like, so the margin in between people in the business and where I am is far. They have a big lead in front of me where I'm coming from. But it's like, I'm gradually cutting the distance in between the standard and where I am at. And not only in a negative way, but when I look upon artists like Damian Marley, who is like one of my, I mean, I wouldn't even say one, I mean, pretty much the man. Him run the thing. Like, my generation come off of the strength of what he did. And you know, all of the greats that in that area says, like, I see the margin between me and the business, and I want to narrow the margin in between so that you're not looking at, oh, them you that try a thing, but them not there on a level. So it's me closing the margin in, and then it is to show the drive that once it is I do catch up to where you are, then I need to stretch the margin more and like lengthen it out more now, so like even the youth them who me say come up now, them can look with me, them have to chase down that, and then gradually the whole business lift up and just dopeness.
Yeah. Okay. So how we're going to do this? We're going to go.
Yo, one of my favorite lines. You don't think you have to talk about.
I don't want to bring out everything myself because we're going to open up for question and answer. Maybe somebody else brings out different ones and due to time and such and such.
I'm just used to see me and you all over the reason, so.